code-genie.ai, healthcare life sciences and pharmaceuticals. AI algorithms help healthcare providers analyze vast amounts of data to identify and monitor high-risk patients. This allows them to provide timely wellness and remedial care. Pharmaceutical companies and medical device manufacturers use AI to gather insights from massive datasets, which facilitates their research and development activities. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, such as X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs, to assist in the detection and diagnosis of diseases. They can help identify patterns and anomalies that may be challenging for human clinicians to detect, leading to more accurate and timely diagnoses. AI can accelerate the drug discovery process by analyzing vast amounts of biomedical data, including genetic information, molecular structures, and clinical trial data. Their algorithms can identify potential drug candidates, optimize molecule designs, and predict drug efficacy, reducing the time and cost involved in bringing new drugs to market. AI can analyze individual patient data, including genetic profiles, medical histories, and lifestyle factors, to personalize treatment plans. These models can help healthcare providers determine optimal dosages, predict treatment outcomes, and identify patients who may be at risk for specific diseases. AI models can analyze diverse data sources, such as social media posts, online search trends, and environmental factors, to predict disease outbreaks, monitor epidemiological patterns, and support public health interventions. AI-powered robots can assist surgeons during complex procedures by providing precision, stability, and real-time feedback. AI enhances surgical capabilities, reduces errors, and enables minimally invasive techniques. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. Visit us at code-genie.ai.